Hi everyone, I'm Claire from SEWTECH. Today we're going to show you how to embroider on shoe on the SEWTECH machine. First, let's prepare the following materials: a shoe clamp, a shoe, stabilizer, an Allen wrench, scissors, and a washable pen. First, identify the area of the shoe where you want to do embroidery. Here is the design size. It indicates the area where needle will stitch. Mark the center of the embroidery area using washable pen. Cut a piece of stabilizer slightly larger than the embroidery design. Remove the release paper and attach the sticky side to inside of the shoe, directly behind the embroidery area. Press the stabilizer firmly and smooth out any wrinkles. The stabilizer must completely cover the area where the design will be stitched. These are the black adjustment knobs. Using the knobs to move the arms to fit different shoe sizes. They are used to adjust the distance between the support arms, then tighten them securely to lock the arms in place. The two clamping levels are used to open the support arms, making it easy to place and hold the shoe. Once the shoe is in place, release the levels to lock the support arms securely. Now let's install the shoe clamp. First, use 3 mm Allen wrench to loosen the screws. Next, install the shoe clamp onto the machine. During installation, ensure the shoe clamp sits between the two metal plates. As you can see holes here, make sure the hole with the screw is aligned with the first slot, just like this. Finally, use a wrench to tighten the screws and secure the shoe clamp in place. Here I need to remind you one thing. Before I start embroidering, don't forget to check the bobbin first. Open the bobbin cover and take out the bobbin case. If you find the bobbin thread is almost used up or run out, replace it with the full bobbin. Now I'm replacing it with a full bobbin. Okay, now install the bobbin case and close the bobbin cover. Now turn on your machine first. Go to first page and select the design that you want to embroider. Then go to page 2. Here you can adjust the design direction you prefer. Click page 3. You can change the color for the design. For this demonstration, we have selected this color combination. Go to page 4. Press here and select the No Frame. Click the tick button to confirm. First, turn the lock knob to open the clamping level. You can loosen these black knobs to adjust the two support arms. Position them according to your shoe embroidery area to properly secure the shoe during stitching. Position the shoe inside the clamping level with the embroidery area facing upward. Make sure the shoe passes through the bobbin area carefully to avoid interface during embroidery. Make sure the shoe is flat, stable, and correctly positioned. Lock the clamping level carefully so the shoe can't move during embroidery. First, tap trace to preview the needle pace. You will see the red laser dot moving. This shows where the needle will stitch. Make sure the pace stays inside the clamp and won't hit it. We need to make sure the design position is correct. Use the arrow keys to move the design location. Select rabbit for faster movement or turtle for smaller, slower adjustments. Then tap this button. Now tap here to confirm the embroidery. Now we are ready to embroider. Tap the Start button. Now the embroidery is finished. Unlock the clamping level and remove the embroidered shoe from the machine. That's all for today's video about shoe embroidery on SEWTECH ST-1501. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. See you next time.